Electronics technology is the application of scientific theories and principles in the design, production, installation, testing, service, use, and control of electrical and electronic parts, equipment and systems. Electronics technology is used across all industries, including commercial, residential, and industrial. The study and use of electrical devices that operate by controlling the flow of electrons or other electrically charged particles. Thomas Alva Edison, one of the greatest scientists and inventor in history of electronics. In 1878, Edison began work on an electric lamp and sought a material that could be electrically heated to incandescence in a vacuum. At first he used platinum wire in glass bulbs at 10 volts. An American scientist, Joseph Henry, is claimed that the English inventor Edward Davy certainly invented the electric relay in his electric telegraph. Current electricity is a constant flow of electrons. There are two kinds of current electricity: direct current, DC, and alternating current, AC. With direct current, electrons move in one direction. Batteries produce direct current. Voltage, also called electromotive force, is simply the energy per unit charge. In other words, voltage is the difference in electric potential between 2 points. Current is just the rate of flow of electric charge. Register is a device that has electrical resistance and that is used in an electric circuit for protection, operation, or current control. A capacitor is a device that is used to store charges in an electrical circuit. Capacitors are useful to reduce voltage pulsation. An inductor is a passive electronic component that stores energy in the form of a magnetic field. In its simplest form, an inductor consists of a wire loop or coil. The inductance is directly proportional to the number of turns in the coil. A diode is an electronic component that only allows current to flow in one direction. A transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signals. Transistors are broadly divided into three types: bipolar transistors, bipolar junction transistors, BJTs, field effect transistors, FETs, and insulated gate bipolar transistors, IGBTs. The relay, a device by means of which contacts in one circuit are operated by a change in conditions in the same circuit or in one or more associated circuits. An amplifier takes an input signal from a source, such as a laptop, CD player, and creates a larger copy of the original signal before it's sent to the speakers. It gets the power to do this from your mains electricity, which is sent directly to the power supply within the amplifier. A transformer is not designed to convert AC to DC or DC to AC. A transformer is an electrical device that uses the principle of electromagnetic induction to transfer energy from one electric circuit to another. A transformer that increases the voltage from the primary to secondary is called a step-up transformer. The transformer can step up or step down current. A microcontroller is a compact integrated circuit designed to govern a specific operation in an embedded system. A typical microcontroller includes a processor, memory, and input/output, I/O, peripherals on a single chip. A sensor is a device, module, machine, or subsystem that detects events or changes in its environment and sends the information to other electronics, frequently a computer processor. The electronics is used in communication and entertainment applications such as telephony and telegraphy, optical communication, wireless communication, television communication, etc. The demand for the latest electronic devices has been trending for many years and will grow for many more. According to MarketWatch, the electronic component sector is expected to grow roughly 5.6% over the next 5 years. Check our next video, Ohm's Law. Please like and share the videos. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do it for enhanced your knowledge. Click on subscribe bell icon. Thank you.